Sir is a popular writer in Bangladesh.
Yeah.
And do you have any idea about Saiful Islam Sir book?
Yeah, thanks for asking this question. I have a good idea about Saiful Islam sir book. Right now, Saiful Islam sir nowadays a popular writer in whole Bangladesh. Right now, Saiful Islam sir four book available whole Bangladesh and also this book popular. And Saiful Islam sir first book English therapy level one book. English therapy level one book. This book very important for learning English. First, personally, I practice this book and I believe for speaking English purpose, this book it's enough.
Enough, yes.
It's enough. And Saiful Islam sir, next book, English therapy, level two book. It was also good because this book very important, advanced learner. That's why I think this book also important. And Saiful Islam sir, after next book, vocab therapy. You know, when any student learn English, that time must need vocabulary.
Vocabulary, yes.
And Saiful Islam sir try to easy way and scientific method follow this book right. As a result, it book very important English learner.
English learner, yes.
And you know, when any student learn English, that time he must need English grammar.
Follow
And
English grammar,
Saiful
yes.
Islam sir also write easy way English grammar. This one book, English grammar book.
Grammar, yes.
Its book also helpful. And you know, grammar is very important for learning English. And Saiful Islam sir try to easy way